That was how I got divorced. My husband never checked in on me in the hospital, or even the baby. That was how I lost my child. And I almost lost my life.
Man, that husband of yours is from the pit of hell. And that dude is mean. He's heartless. Now I see why you are so mean to yourself and to men. But hey, my friend, you have to let go and forgive him. Yes. You have to forgive him completely so that you can move on. Believe me, the right man for you is waiting for you out there. Okay?
I cannot go through the trauma of marriage. You know, I believe it when people say that marriage is a cage, a trap, or a prison. I love my emotional freedom. Like I owe no one no responsibility of some sort and vice versa. No one owes me that.
No, I disagree with you. That's not the best approach to life. Listen, I have a fiancé. Yes, he is in the UK. And once he comes back to Nigeria, we are getting married. He's coming back in the next 18 months when he rounds up his training. Yes.
My dear friend, I wish you the very best. And every other person who believes in marriage as well. But you see me? I am done with anything relationship, union, marriage, blah, blah, blah. I'm done with all that. Man, I'm done.
Are you being serious now? You're done like you are done.
Yeah, done.
For real? You know, at this point, I don't know what else to say to you. But girl, you need to love and be loved.
You know what I need? I need power, I need stability, I need money, I need more money, I need more money, I need more money, and that's it. But not marriage, girl. I'm done with that bullshit. I'm done crying for any man. I'm done. Girl, I don't tire. I know they do again. Eh? Big now.
Wait. Take it easy, ladies. I will attend to all your questions.
Thank you, Ma. Ma, please, what do you have to say about entrepreneurship?
Entrepreneurship. Well, you all know that entrepreneurship is taking the lead in today's society. And that is because you stand to benefit a lot from it, especially if you can create something for yourself. That is why Creative Builders Hub is here to mold you and train you into the entrepreneurial superstar that you desire to be. So I would like to end this note on saying that you too can make it, if only you start with a step.
Okay, Ma. Really amazing. Ma, I've heard a lot about this amazing Creative Builders Hub. And I want to know, how long does it take to tutor entrepreneurs into becoming a superstar, Ma?
Well, like you all know, Creative Builders Hub is the leading entrepreneurial firm in this part of the world, Africa. And we are here to train young people who desire to rise into becoming superstars in the entrepreneurship world. We are here to train you. So just begin with a step.
One more question, ma'am. Please, what advice you have to these young entrepreneurs?
Stay focused, have a target, and make sure that you hit your target or you go home.
Wow, impressive. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes.
I really appreciate it.
I'm really interested. That's okay, ladies. quite a day, huh?
You really did well, my lady.
You did well yourself in there. I should make you my personal assistant already. Are you even ready to function in that capacity?
I'm always at your service, my lady.
Of course, I know. I can always count on you, Joe. I can always count on you. I want to believe that you're not doing this on purpose, because what nonsense is this?
Vanya, I don't know why you don't want to give me a chance in your life. I promise to do anything within my power to make you happy.
How does a man who doesn't even know how to call my name right know what to do to make me happy? Listen, I have registered businesses scattered round. My annual return is something that you cannot comprehend.
Look, I know you are what, and that is why my attention is drawn to you. You are in money. But there is always room for additional money. Tell me how much you want and I am going to deposit that money into your account right here.
Now I know that you have gone bonkers. You cannot pay my price. You just may end up losing your life. Get out of my house before I call the security on you.
I don't know why you are always threatening me with security agents. Look, I am not scared of them. I know them all, both in federal and state level. And they all know me as a gentleman. Even if I am going to leave, I am not leaving because of your threat. I am leaving because I want peace, and I equally love you as well.
You may think that you know all the security agencies, but I tell you something. When they are out and about, carrying out instructions from the woman of power, you can do nothing. Leave now that you still have your legs.
This one you're so excited. Hey! I hope you have good news for me. Auntie, if it is about getting a man, I'm sorry to disappoint you. It's not about that. Hey.
Please, I am begging you. Eh? I beg you with anything you hold dear to your heart. Get a man again. You cannot shut out all the men coming around because of the action of one man. There are men out there who will make you perpetually happy. You need to be happy.
Auntie, can't you see that I am happy?
No, you're not. You're not. Are you sure you don't need a therapist?
Auntie, I have seen 3 therapists in the last 1 year.
Then you need love. Yes. You need to open up your heart to love again. Yes. When you open up your heart to love, you find love.
Okay.
Don't force me to get a husband for you. Because that's what I should do right now. If you don't act fast.
Auntie,
This is not a laughing matter.
Auntie, you're funny.
I'm not joking with you.
Cheers to good life.
And to
good life.
you know now.
To what?
Hey, don't try me.
To what, Auntie?
Don't try me.
Auntie, you go back to the village.
You need to get a man.
You have to go to the village.
Oh, who do we have here? Mwah, mwah, my darling friend, Adrian.
How are you, my self-acclaimed entrepreneur guru herself?
Oh, you can say that again. You know what, Adrian? You can actually take some time out to cast your vote for me as the leading woman in entrepreneurship.
But you are still deceiving people. You know you can actually be the best lead woman in the entrepreneurship, but only if you practice it.
Adrian, you see, I do not expect anything good from an extremely jealous friend. I can't.
You know, truth be told, you're not always a pleasant sight. But it's actually a pleasure having you as a friend.
I will take that as a compliment, my darling, and assume that you do not want anything.
I want you to change. Change into a decent woman who does not defraud the public. That is the only thing you can give to me.
She is dangerous, ain't living a fake life. She don't even care. She's so dangerous.
Hey, babe.
Hey, baby.
Yeah. Hi. How are you?
I'm alright.
You good?
I'm fine. I hope you're not here to take me out because, babe, I am super tired. I need to rest.
Oh. On the contrary, I came to spend some good time with you. You know, it's weekend. You know, I actually wanted to invite you over for lunch, but I changed my mind. I decided to come here so I can cook for you so we can eat as a family, you know?
Are you serious?
Of course.
You want to cook for me?
Mm-hmm.
Now that is sweet.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, you know, a man would just invite a lady over to his place, but yours is different. Why?
Well, I'm super excited that you're starting to know me. I like to do my things very differently. Are you enjoying your meal?
Of course. This is really tasty.
You know, I didn't tell you. I'm a chef. Oh yeah. I had taken some training back in the day. You know, I don't like it when women tell me they can't cook because they feel I can't cook.
Are you serious right now?
Oh, yeah.
When you can eat out?
No, I like to make delicious meals.
This is really tasty. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What is this? What kind of nonsense is this? Wait, let me understand. Is this a kind of the more you look, the less you see? Huh? You guys are here eating and there's no food in the pot? Come, hey! Where is my own portion?
There's some food in the pot. Besides, your portion is here.
Hey! Wait a minute, intruder. You expect me to eat that rubbish? That nonsense food like I'm a child? Huh? Hey, listen, idiot. If you have finally become the cook here, are you not supposed to know that my food should be served with respect? Huh?
What is all this blabbing and nonsense talk about food? Huh? Do you not know that only a glutton talks about food like this?
Are you just getting to know that I am a glutton? Listen, naturally I am a very greedy man. I'm a very greedy human being. And let me tell the both of you, nobody is going to eat anything here until I am sorted out.
My love, please just ignore him.
I'm not talking to you. If you try it, no, try it. Try this nonsense. I said nobody's going to eat and you're trying to pee. Are you mad? My friend, I just said, come.
Okay, put that food back here now.
On the fire, you the idiot. Nobody's going to, nobody, until I'm sorted out. Obele, Pawakana. Okay,
Obele.
what I'm going to do?
Obele.
Oh, come. Stop that. I'm not an idiot. Because I'm not an idiot.
What is wrong with you?
What do you mean what is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you? If there's not enough food, why can't you go outside and get food to eat?
Wait, I don't get any of this. I should go outside and get food when there is food in the house where I live. What nonsense is this now? Huh? Okay, fine. But eventually I decide to go and eat outside. Who will take care of the baby?
Are you saying that all the money that you have been stealing and taking from me, you don't have savings?
What kind of nonsense is this? What kind of gable are you wired with?
Obele.
You are here supporting an intruder against your own brother.
You also shut up and stop calling him an intruder. He is not an intruder. He's my guest.
Hey. I don't even change down for you. Call me Mr. Mississippi.
Come on, shut up. You should be lucky there's enough food in the house to feed you with. Listen, this is my private moment and you are not going to ruin it for me. You hear me? Don't come out there spewing trash again.
I should come about Oga get there.
Come on, shut
up. Idiot. You think you are too small. You think because I'm staying in your house, you have the right to do to me anyhow? To not fire you, the idiot. What kind of nonsense is this? This idiot have decided to be the cook in this house. He must cook for me. That which he has started, he must complete. Nonsense. I'm hungry. What kind of rubbish is this? How can they be giving me this small food? Am I a dog? What kind of small food is this? This thing is small. It's small now. Why all this thing will disappear here? With nonsense, look at it. What kind of meat is this? This. Yeah, always. This is chicken. Chicken combined with cheese.
What is this now? Why is this mechanic delaying me? Why is it taking so much time to bring my car? He's not even taking his calls.
What are you doing out here in the sun? Adrian.
What is this nonsense? What is this? What is this?
From the look of things, I suggest your car is giving you some issues.
How is it your business?
Please, can you come inside the car? Let's talk about it.
I don't want anything that concerns you. I don't want you. Look, I am stressed already. I am waiting for my mechanic. Just leave me alone.
Adrian, please let me help you. I want to help you.
I don't want your help. I don't want to. What other language am I going to tell you?
Okay, you know what? Since you're not gonna come inside the car, you don't want me to help you, I'll simply just wait here for you until the mechanic guy brings your car. Adrian.
What is all this now? What kind of bad luck is this morning? What is this now?
Adrian, I'm not going to leave you here all alone. It's dangerous out there. You can't just stand here. Okay, if you want to wait for the mechanic guy, just come inside the car. Let's just wait.
I don't want!
Okay.
You know you don't have sense. One single sense you don't have. Fool.
Adrian!
You kept me waiting for so long.
I'm sorry, I had a flat tire. It was really a hectic experience.
It's okay. Everything you need is in that flash. You can monitor the activities of the site through the link. But I feel so bad working for you against my boss. And I hope you're not going to ask me to take down the site again.
No, I know it's risky. But I do not want to hurt you or your boss. I just want to tame her a little bit.
It's okay.
Thank you. Alright, I'll contact you.
Alright.
Lady V is already in soup. By the time I finish gathering enough evidence against her, the financial crime department will come knocking at our door. We shall see.
Hi.
Who is this one? What is it? Hi. Oga, my name is Mr. Mississippi. I am the man who runs the entire of this estate. Not hi. What is it? Hi.
Oh.
Huh?
I'm sorry, my bad.
This is my gate.
My bad. Please, can I have a moment of your time?
Well, it depends on the things that you want to be discussing. If it is going to lead to money, then I will listen to you. But if it is not going to lead to money, Oga, I'll prefer to continue to where I have originally planned to go.
Okay.
It's going to lead to money.
I've heard you. I promise I am not going to take much of your time. I am a gentleman. I don't bite.
I want you to brief me on the details of this business and how it is going to finally translate into money.
Okay. My name is Lopez.
Okay.
That is the popular name everyone around me calls me.
Lopez.
Yes. I am an international businessman.
Okay.
I am interested in your sister. And I want you to do something for me.
You are interested in my sister?
Yes.
And you want me to help you talk to her?
Exactly.
I don't understand.
Good. Look, I am going to pay you any amount of money you want on earth. If you can do this for me. I like your sister. And I want her to be my woman. I want you to help me to talk to her on my behalf. I'm a very gentleman. I come in peace.
Oh, this is where the money comes in. Any amount of money I want on earth,
I'm going to give it to you.
Mr. Lopez?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Wait, let me understand. Why did you come to me? Why didn't you talk to her yourself?
Okay.
I come in peace too.
Okay. I did. She seems not to be looking my way. Look, you are her brother. I believe she can listen to you. Just help me and convince her. Help me and talk to her on my behalf. Like I said, I promise to pay you any amount of money you want on earth. I am somewhat interested in your sister.
Okay, so this is the business that will finally translate into money.
I, Lopez, is going to pay you that money. I'm going to fix you. I will change your life completely. Just,
you're going to fix me?
I'm going to fix you. Any amount of money you want.
Do you have cash here? I need to keep this money very well before this idiot of my sister will think that I've stolen from her. Hi, but this man is so generous. Look at the amount of money he has given to me when I have not even done anything. Imagine if I am now his in-law. God will punish that idiot called Collins, who has finally become a cook. All he knows how to do is to milk and bang my sister. The conqueror, the lion is here. Hey! Hey! Start the work immediately. V?
The site is ready, ma'am.
Sit.
Thank you.
Joe, I would not entertain any form of hacking or malfunctioning from the site again.
That's not a problem. It won't happen.
Good. So go ahead and create some publicity materials. And then you need to put together some fake alert for testimonies, just to convince them.
That's not an issue. I've already done that.
Good. So send them to me for approval.
Okay.
I'll see how to get some very big influencers to make 1 or 2 minute videos. Post it on their social media pages. I need all of their followers on my end.
That would be a good idea.
So you do your part while I do mine.
Okay, ma'am.
You may leave.
All right.
Living a fake life. She don't even care cause she's
Lady Vanya.
This lady so mean, but that police come her, and she don't even care. She's dangerous, so dangerous, like a wolf in a sheep clothing. She's a dangerous scammer, and she don't even want to change. The lady Vanya, the lady Vanya, the lady Vanya.
V.
What is it?
Hi. Vio. I want you to Nicodemously keep this one here. Wow. And then have this one. Gem. That's my sister.
Ubele,
And the more.
since when did you start being this nice? Huh? Oh, I see. You need some money, right?
Oh, V. What is this now? Eh? Why is it that you like fighting all the time? Eh? Can't we sit as a brother? Am I gonna know you have your drink, then I have mine like this. And we sit together to discuss like a brother and a sister without quarreling. Eh?
Okay. Before you label me troublesome, I will just shut up.
No, Sisi, forget it. I am your brother. You are my sister. I am not here to do that rubbish, that nonsense, that idiot call Collins. Doctor, you know. This is brother and sister. Eh? Brother, sister, brother. See, I am here for us too. In fact, I want to discuss something with you.
Aha! I knew it. I knew that all of this niceness will definitely come with a price, so we're out with it already.
No, V. No. Like I said, I am not here to talk about money. I'm not here to talk about money. No? See, I want you to consider this man called Lopez. No, because I have found him more better and appealing suitor than that small boy, that idiot called Collins. Lopez is the best. Collins is an idiot.
Wait a second. How did you know Lopez? Oh, I see. So he asked you to come woo me for him, and you agreed. Is that how cheap you think I am?
No, sister, listen, you are my sister. I can't see evil comes to you. No, you are my sister, and I am looking out for you.
Looking out for you. You are an idiot. You are stupid. As a matter of fact, both of you are stupendous non-entities. Because what nonsense is this? So you go out there collecting money from every Tom, Dick and Harry to pimp me? Are you stupid? Listen, this nonsense better not repeat itself.
Sister, this is not pimp. Nobody is pimping you. That's why I have brought this drink for us to drink.
Which drink? You are an idiot. You ever try this nonsense again, you have me to contend with.
Vin! You bought me drink, Vin? Don't the fire with the idiot! Nancy! Look at, oh God, what kind of woman is this? Somebody that I'm trying to help. A sister that I'm trying to give a wonderful life to her. Idiot!
She don't even care cause she's so dangerous. This lady so mean, and that means karma. And she don't even care, she's dangerous. So dangerous. Like a wolf in the sheep clothing.
I asked you to come over because I was thinking of ways that I can help you make money.
Thank you.
Cheers.
To
Money.
money.
I see that you had started influencing and that you have a lot of followers on Instagram.
Yeah, I do.
So there's this brand I would like to introduce you to. All you need to do is advertise for them and they pay you good money.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. This is good news.
This is an international brand. So you're not going to have any physical meeting with them. My friend in the UK, she's the one in charge. All I need to do is speak to her and it's done.
Oh, good. See, I'm glad you know I love money. Whenever there is money, I am present. And then did you know that since I started this influencing on Instagram, I've really not gotten a client. When I mean a client, I've not gotten one. So I'm happy.
Now we have one.
Oh God! I'm a big girl. Lady Vanna, when I start singing of your praises, people think I'm just hyping you. See, nobody, when I talk about connection, I mean connection with good deals like this one, with anything that has to do with money. I mean, you know how to make someone generate money. I love you. Queen of South, Lady V to the world, L to the A to the V to the world. Who they? Look at you now.
What's her name?
Lady Vanna, the Queen of South, the sugar herself, the one who speaks and everybody will keep calm to listen. Lady V to the world.
That's enough.
I'm just excited, you know. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I see that you love money.
I love money. Oh, I love money. I'm glad you know that. Thank you. God will bless you.
Obere. Odugu Lopez, Onyego.
Abego.
Hi, money bag.
Any good news yet? Has your sister accepted to date me?
Nah, Lopez, at times you talk. If not that you are my man, as in Abego, Onyego, I would have just said that you are an idiot. No, I said if not that. That's what I did not call you idiot. I said if not that. You understand? Just whatever nature. If not that you are my man, as Onyego, I would have just said that you are an idiot. I did not say you are an idiot. I said if not that. Okay. Do you think I'm a magician? Yeah. Something that you, Lopez, have tried for over many months now. And then you gave me this contract barely a week, and you expect miracle to happen.
Because I trusted you. And I believe you can convince your sister.
The conviction is not the problem. I can convince her. Do you understand? Anyways, I need more money. Money go jolo. Ego jolo. Ego. In alone. Ego.
I understand.
In our Joshua. Ego.
Lopez.
So ego. I need some money to be so that I can be able to buy her this little gifts. Him and my sister is a greedy human being, and when you want to follow a greedy human being, you follow her greedily. So I need to buy her some certain gifts. Then I'll claim that those gifts are directly coming from you. Yes.
Look, money is not a problem here. In fact, money is never a problem. All I want is for you to give me a good job.
Were you not the one that just said that you trust me? Then why you that to me again? Okay. And point of correction, Lopez, money is the problem. Because if there's money, if I have given her a lot of something, by now, I'll back for grind. So money is the problem. But I've just, dealt with her with money.
This is the last cash I have inside this month for today. India is 300,000 naira.
300,000?
Yes. And I will make additional transfer of 200,000 naira to your account later, making it 500,000 naira.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Hey!
All I want is for you to give me a good job.
Go. Money bag.
The money man.
Hey, you don't fight. If not for one thing, I would have just said, don't give me that 200. But you have to, since you have said it, okay, you have to make the transfer immediately. Okay. If with this you have done, consider it done. In fact, I will do an excellent job.
For real?
Lopez, my sister will call you this night.
This night?
She will call you, hey, Lopez, where are you? Am I coming over or are you coming over?
Look,
I'm telling you.
If your sister can call me this night, I am going to send you 2 million naira to your account tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, you will wake up and see 2 million naira alert.
The lion is here. Etepe. Nzobu. Hey. Gigi. Lopez Yache, the conqueror, the lion is here. Nzobu. Hey.
Hi, bro.
Is it my bro? Come, I don't know why I don't like seeing your face. You open this nonsense and say hi, bro. God will so punish you. God will punish you so madly for saying hi, bro, to me. Are you an idiot?
What have I done? Oh, okay. I was around the neighborhood. I realized it was closing time, so I decided to come check up on my babe, your sister.
Today, document check up on your babe, your sister.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Hi. No. Are you with her? Well, you have done well. Oh, lover boy. You have done well. Now, get out.
Bro, why are you so cold towards me, Obele?
It's Obele Bawaganya!
I'm sorry, I totally forgot you don't like to be called that. I'm sorry about that. But why are you so cold on me? You don't like me, why?
Oh yes, because I am trained to be cold to good people like you. Yes, you have been cold towards everything, and I am cold towards you.
So I'm trying to understand you. I've been cold towards everything. What do you mean I've been cold towards everything?
That it means get out. Get out. Open this gate and leave now. You want me to push you? My friend! Get out of this compound now.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you, Tawaganya.
So your sister is not home?
God, are you mad? You can pay what you see. You can pay what you see. Get out of the idiot. You stay in your home to Tawaganya. Let me not see your face here again, though. Ewu! Want to spoil my mood, my wonderful mood. Hey! The cockroach, the lion is here. Nzobu, idiot! The cockroach, the lion is here. Hey! Nzobu, do I educate? Oh, no pass, no book cable. Oh, no book. Come here, idiot. Hi. Oh, come on. The cockroach, lion is here. Mind you, Dogu. Hey! How? Lindiocha! It is not every time that you do swallow. Every time. No! What time do you go like this? The cockroach, the lion is here. The cockroach, lion is here.
What's going on here?
Oh God. Can't you just ignore me and be on your lane? Huh? As you can see, I am happy. Why can't you just allow this happiness to be? Huh?
Obele,
Ha.
tell me the one thing, just one thing that you have achieved in this miserable life of yours that is worth celebrating. I'm sure you've stolen my money again from somewhere and then gone to buy this nonsense.
Don't respect yourself.
Ew.
Don't touch this food again. And again, put the correction. First, it is not your money. Secondly, I know you are Miss Achiever of the whole world. And then probably I have not achieved anything. But at least Mr. Mississippi, aka problem with twins. Empty that life. It is worth celebrating.
Hey, listen. You better stop this nonsense that you were doing here because you are constituting nuisance. And please stop chewing like a goat.
You idiot!
Stop chewing like a goat.
You think hey, you are too small. You cannot spoil my mood. That is why that idiot, that your baby, that your nonsense small baby wanted to spoil my mood. He did not succeed. And you want to turn the fire, you idiot.
We need to cut down on the physical meeting. Someone might be watching.
I get you. Whenever she's up to a new form of defrauding people, I'd like you to give me some heads up. Then I will do my own publications.
That's not an issue. I've sent you the link to the new website. That's the third website she's opening with different name for visa application. This new one looks like an international standard.
I can see. I must really say she's good. Like some international organization.
Yeah. She pulled the services of some technical expertise to pull it through. She has a strong network. If you must do this, you need to come all out.
It's dangerous. Hey, living a fake life.
As a matter of fact, why am I even calling you Lady Vanya? Vanya. For Instagram to bring down one's verified account. Do you know how much I have lost? Have you an idea how much you made me lose?